Hey everyone, and welcome to week 2 of quantitative reasoning. So again, we are on week 2 of 7. So I know we are moving quite quickly, and we're actually finishing up unit 1 this week and moving on to unit 2. Let's take a quick preview of what you guys have to do this week. So again, we're going to finish unit 1 with 3A, B, and C. Please make sure you guys are completing your Lumen homework over here in the preview and the practice columns, and that you guys are watching the videos and filling out your notes. You guys have your lesson 3 quiz and you have a unit wrap up. So this unit wrap up is going to go over everything that you've learned in unit 1. You do get 2 attempts and it is timed. If you would like to review your unit wrap up after your first attempt, please let me know and I'm happy to meet with you either in person or via Zoom. After your wrap up, you're going to go ahead and you're going to start unit 2 with lesson 4A and 4B. You're also going to get started on your mid-semester project with a discussion board. I'm going to go ahead and quickly put this in instructor view so we can review what your mid-semester project is going to be. So let me start with what your project is, and then we're going to go to the discussion board. Oops, and my apologies, I just clicked on the wrong one. Here we go. Okay, so your mid-semester project is going to go over units 1 and units 2, so there is a very helpful video that I suggest you guys watch. And what you're going to be doing is you are going to pick a question that interests you, and you are going to ask a minimum of 20 people. So this should be more than just a yes/no question. You should be gaining more information. If they did answer yes, have them explain. So let's just keep moving on, and I will give you some further detail in just a minute. So for your mid-semester project, you're going to go through, this is laid out in a nice table. You're first and foremost going to be asking a question to your participants. Over in your second column, you'll see there are directions. So you're posing a survey question, and we gave you a couple examples. Then we have the actual questions, and then some helpful hints and tips over in the last column. What I would do is I would preview this entire project before you get started on your creating a question so you know what exactly you're going to be tested on. There are some helpful tools in here like a data collection tool and then some dot plot maker websites, things like that. So again, take a look through this before you get started. Please contact me if you have any questions. And in order to help you guys get started on this project, we are going to do a discussion board. So for your discussion board, this is actually going to help you answer the first question in your project. So again, you're going to choose a question that interests you, something different from down here, a couple examples, and I want you guys posting this question by 2/3, my apologies, by 1/18, so that way I get a chance to look over all of them and give you guys feedback, and I will approve everything by 1/23. So again, I'm going to be looking through, giving you feedback on all your questions, if there's anything you can expand upon, so that way you have enough information to answer all the questions in your project. By February 3rd, you should be conducting and asking all your participants your questions so you can get started, because again, since it's a 7-week class, your project is going to be due rather quickly, and the due date for that project is going to be the 13th. So if you guys have any questions as you're going through the material, again, please make sure to reach out. I do have my contact information, so again, this announcement, as I'm recording the video, is not up quite yet. So let me just pull that out. I did rearrange just a little bit, so my contact information is at the bottom. And if you want to see what we're doing next week, please just go ahead and refer to that course schedule.